the biggest difference between an ordinary home and one that feels truly luxurious isn't expensive furniture, but a few perfectly placed black accents. Stay with me until the end, and if you enjoy timeless interior design ideas like these, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration every week. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the Ikigria channel. May all Ikigria friends soon have their dream home. Many people spend thousands updating furniture, buying designer accessories, or following the latest trends, yet something still feels missing. Perhaps you've experienced walking into your living room and feeling it looks pleasant but somehow lacks depth and character. The problem is often the absence of visual structure. Without carefully placed dark accents, every element competes equally, leaving the room feeling flat instead of refined. Old money interiors rarely shout for attention. Instead, they whisper confidence through balance, restraint, and timeless proportions. Black is rarely used as the dominant color. It acts more like the punctuation in a beautifully written sentence, defining edges, highlighting craftsmanship, and allowing quality materials to become the true stars. This subtle strategy creates sophistication that never feels forced. Before we move into the practical details, I'm curious about something. When you picture a luxurious home, what comes to mind first? Is it elegant furniture, premium materials, beautiful lighting, or perhaps the subtle use of black accents? Share your answer in the comments because everyone experiences luxury differently, and your perspective might inspire someone else's home. The easiest way to introduce black is through architectural features rather than large furniture pieces. Consider window frames, slim picture frames, stair railings, cabinet hardware, or fireplace surrounds. These details naturally outline the room, creating visual rhythm without overwhelming the space. Even small black lines help the eye understand the room's structure, making everything appear more intentional and luxurious. Lighting plays an essential role in old money interiors. Imagine a graceful black chandelier hanging above a dining table or elegant matte black sconces softly illuminating textured walls. During the day, these fixtures become sculptural elements. At night, they create dramatic shadows that add emotion and intimacy. Black lighting doesn't simply brighten a room, it becomes part of its personality. One reason black accents feel luxurious is because they enhance natural materials instead of competing with them. Warm oak, walnut, marble, linen, leather, brass, and aged stone all become richer beside black details. The contrast makes wood appear warmer, marble more dramatic, and brass more elegant. This relationship between materials creates the layered character associated with timeless estates. A common mistake is assuming luxury means making an entire room dark. In reality, old money design relies on balance. Black works best when surrounded by soft creams, warm whites, muted taupes, gentle grays, or natural textures. The lighter surroundings allow every black accent to stand out with quiet confidence, creating visual harmony rather than heaviness. So far, we've discovered that black works best through balance rather than abundance. Now I'd love to hear about your own space. Do you already use black accents in your home, or have you been avoiding them because you're worried they might make your rooms feel smaller? Tell us in the comments, and let's exchange ideas that could help others decorate with more confidence. Instead of purchasing an entire set of black furniture, choose one carefully selected statement piece. Perhaps it's a black console table in the entryway, an elegant reading chair with dark wooden legs, or a refined coffee table with black detailing. Giving the eye one intentional focal point creates order and makes the room feel thoughtfully curated rather than overcrowded. Color influences emotion more than many people realize. Black naturally communicates stability, authority, sophistication, and permanence. When introduced thoughtfully, it gives a room emotional grounding. After a long day, spaces anchored with subtle black accents often feel calmer because the visual composition feels complete. Rather than dominating attention, black quietly reassures the mind through balance and structure. Artwork provides another opportunity to introduce elegant black accents. Large paintings with thin black frames instantly elevate a wall without appearing flashy. Black and white photography, charcoal sketches, or classic landscape paintings framed simply can transform ordinary walls into sophisticated galleries. The artwork becomes more memorable because the framing adds definition rather than distraction. Luxury interiors rarely depend on dozens of colors. Instead, they rely on texture. Imagine black linen pillows resting against a cream sofa, a matte ceramic vase on polished marble, or a soft wool throw beside a leather chair. Each surface reflects light differently, creating visual richness that feels collected over generations instead of purchased all at once. Sometimes the smallest details create the strongest impression. Black candle holders, elegant books with dark covers, ceramic bowls, decorative trays, table lamps, or vintage-inspired hardware subtly repeat the color throughout the room. These recurring accents establish consistency, making the entire home feel connected rather than decorated one room at a time. One mistake many homeowners make is adding black randomly without considering proportion. If black appears only once, it may feel isolated. If it appears everywhere, the room loses balance. Instead, repeat black accents gently across the space in different sizes. This creates a visual conversation between objects, allowing every element to support the overall composition naturally. We're about to reveal how all of these individual design choices come together in the final transformation. Before we do, take a moment to think about your own home. Which single tip from today's video would you try first? Leave your answer in the comments, and if you have another timeless old money decorating secret, don't hesitate to share it with everyone below. Imagine entering your home after making these thoughtful changes. The walls feel taller, the furniture appears more expensive, natural light becomes more dramatic, and every corner seems carefully composed. Friends may not immediately identify what changed, but they'll notice the atmosphere feels calmer, richer, and remarkably more elegant. That's the quiet power of old money design. It impresses without trying too hard. The greatest lesson from old money interiors is that luxury is rarely about spending more. It's about making thoughtful choices that bring balance, harmony, and timeless beauty into everyday life. Carefully placed black accents can transform ordinary rooms into spaces that feel confident, welcoming, and enduring. Which black accent would you introduce first in your own home, and have you ever used this timeless design trick? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these timeless old money decorating ideas, you'll love the other interior design videos on this channel, where we explore more ways to create elegant, luxurious spaces. Click on the next video and let's continue transforming your home together.